So we have a maneuver, and it says 20 seconds of 2-jet Ullage quads BD. What does that mean? Well, we've already covered the SCS thrusting, and this had a feature which the engine would only light if it detected that it was under a minimum of 5 seconds of Ullage. So we already know how to do Ullage. But now let's talk about how to do these longer, more complicated Ullage procedures. It's pretty simple. I've prepared most of the burn already, and we're at the part where we need to load the digital autopilot. You can key verb 48, enter, and now we need to assign quads to use, verb 24. So we need to use 1, because we're in the CSM, and now here's where it gets different. You can see that the next number we punch in will either use AC, BD, or if we put 1 in for the next two, both. Here we have to use BD, so we use 0, 1. If it said AC, we use 1, 0, and if it was 4-jet, we use 1, 1. So here is BD, here is AC, and here's 4-jet Ullage. So we'll enter in BD, which is 0, 1, and then the normal 0, 2. And then, of course, the weight. Which is the same procedure as always. 2, 6, 1, 3, 9. And the gimbals are the same as well. Verb 46. And now I will pause and I'll be back at the completion of the preparations right before the ignition of the engine. So we're here now close to the burn, and we just need to follow the normal procedures. Disky blank here. And now switch to translation. And at the 20 seconds mark for us, hold the 6 key, and then follow whatever ignition procedures you use, thrust on, or just proceed in the computer, whatever you need. But you're going to hold it until after the engine ignites. Proceed. Ignition, and let go. And that's it. Thank you.